Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Cacio E Pepe. It's a pasta dish, 3 ingredients, which is you're going to use cheese and pepper and the pasta itself. So let's see all the ingredients that we have. So now, for ingredients, as I stated, you only need 3 ingredients. The cheese that we use is Pecorino Romano, black pepper, this is freshly grated, and then for the pasta, I'm using spaghettoni. For the pasta, if you can't find spaghettoni, you can change to bucatini, which is, I think a lot of people use that as the pasta, like the main pasta for the Cacio E Pepe. Or if you can't find one, you can get just a regular spaghetti, it works well also. So now, let's get cooking. Alright guys, so first you want to boil the water. So once the water is boiling, you want to add about 1 tablespoon of salt. And then now we're going to boil the pasta, we're going to cook the pasta. In my package, I need about 13 minutes. So I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes, and then the last 3 minutes, I'm going to finish it in my pan. So now in my pan, I put it on the medium-high heat, and I'm going to toast some freshly grated black pepper. So after 2 minutes, your black pepper gives you that strong smell, which is already toasted. So now I'm going to put this on the side, and I'm going to continue finish with the pasta. Alright guys, now for the cheese, after 5 minutes, we're cooking our pasta. We're going to add some black pepper in our cheese. The cheese that I use over here, so per 300 grams, I'm going to use 150. If you only do 150, you can use half of it. It's always 2 by 1. Mix it. And I'm going to create a paste from this. We're going to use our pasta water. Just add a little bit first. So now our sauce is created. Now we're going to finish up with our noodle. Alright guys, so 10 minutes in. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and then remove my pasta here. Now you want to add pasta water. So you want to finish cooking over here. So now my pasta is now al dente. Now I'm gonna add our sauce. At this time, I turn off my heat, so I'm going to use the remaining heat to make the cream out of the cheese. I'm going to add a little bit more water. So now at this point, this is done. We're going to serve it. So this is our final result. As a garnish, I'm gonna sprinkle fresh ground black pepper. And there you go. This is the final result of Cacio E Pepe. Super creamy, super easy. The only key point to make your sauce creamy for you is try to handle the heat. What I mean is, like on your stove, make sure you put it on a low heat or you completely turn it off so it becomes creamy. If it's not, when the cheese, there is a melting point in every cheese. If your pan is too hot, your cheese is gonna melt it and it's gonna separate it from the fat. So be careful with that. Just try to manipulate your fire or your heat. So there you go. Give it a try, guys. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe, it's cost you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.